Let's learn how to create a cinematic text fade transition in Premiere Pro. Like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. Begin by adding a video clip and a text layer to your timeline. Select the text clip, go to Effect Controls, and under the Opacity section, choose the Freeform Pen tool. Draw a rectangle around your text in the video preview to create a mask. Position the playhead at the point where the fade should start, and enable the mask path stopwatch to set a keyframe. Drag the mask outside the frame to the side you want the fade to start. Move the playhead to where the fade ends, and reposition the mask over the text to fully reveal it, creating a second keyframe. To turn the wipe effect into a fade, increase the mask feather to around 700 or adjust based on your text size. If the transition is too slow, move the keyframes closer together. That's it. Like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips.